Hello guys, welcome to another interesting episode of Living Colors. Before going to our today's video, I would like to wish you all a very happy and a safe Diwali. May this festival of light bring joy and peace to your house. So come, let's go to our today's video. Today we're gonna discuss about caring and breeding of budgies. So let's not waste our time, we'll go to our today's video. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our interesting videos. Guys, budgies are the world's third most popular pet. This is because they are easy to take care and maintain. So as you know, budgies are originally from Australia. They are actually known as budgerigas, which means birds which move in groups. As the name itself tells, these birds like to be in groups. Like most of them have a question like, does budgies talk? Yes, budgies can talk if it is properly trained. Male budgies talk better than females. Identifying the gender of budgies is very easy. Like if you see the video, you can notice two budgies. One budgie which is inside the next box is a female one. The one which is outside the next box is a male one. If you notice the nose of this budgies, you can see a blue shade for the male and a brown shade for female. So this is how you identify the gender of budgies. When we talk about breeding and feeding of budgies, both are very connected. Most of the time, which I have noticed, is people feed only millet for budgies, which is actually bad for budgies' health. Budgies require a proper mixture of diet. The mixture of diet should include seeds, vegetable, fruits, green leaves and calcium. So what I feed for my budgies is I give major portion of millet. Along with millet, I give fruits and vegetable on alternative days. And also for calcium, I give cuttlefish bone, which is easily available in the local pet market. When we are talking about breeding, a bird which is of 10 months can be used for breeding. Identifying the right healthy pair is the first step of breeding. You have to identify the pair which is already bounded in order to successfully breed it. Once a pair is selected, next step is caging. You have to set up a cage with a breeding box. And once a cage is set up, you should ensure that there is adequate water and food. Once all these facilities are provided, breeding takes place within 1 or 2 weeks and it starts laying egg. Once the bird lays egg, there are few challenges that most of the breeders come across. That is, you might notice that the egg which was laid has been pushed from the next box by the parent itself. So this happens because of two reasons. Calcium deficiency is one of the major reasons why the birds usually push this egg out of the nest. So you can feed the cuttlefish bone, as I earlier told. This will give adequate calcium supply to the bird and the egg. The chances of hatching is also very high. Another reason is out of fear. So if your bird is feared or scared, that this might also lead to breaking of egg. So it is not suggested to frequently visit the bird or disturb the bird while it is brooding on the egg. So it is always recommended to give proper privacy for your bird and the egg in order for it to peacefully hatch it. These are the few things which have to be kept in mind when you are breeding a budgie. Few things to keep in mind when you are opting for budgies is budgies makes lot of noise, so sometimes it's a bit disturbing, but sometimes in the early morning it's very nice, it's very pleasant to hear them, and sometimes it's a bit irritating, and this is something that you have to keep in mind. Like, your budgies always like to play, so always try to keep toys in your cage so that to keep it engaged so it doesn't get stressed. Guys, hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please do like, share and comment. So see you next week with another interesting video.